So if you want to start a YouTube channel and don't know how to create video and how to edit the video, then you at right place.
Hey guys, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. So in this video, I will tell you how you can create a AI video for your YouTube channel. As you can see in the start of video, I give you an example of AI video that I generate in this whole video. So let's start the video now, and I will tell you how you can make this type of video that I show you in start of video. First of all, you have to come on a website. It's called Lexica. I will drop a link in the description. So you click over there and you will come on this website. In this website there is two options. You can also generate a AI picture of your actor, and also you can search over here. So I search Kaise, so I get many actor, but I choose this actor for my video. So I say save the this image, and then you will come on a next website. It's called d-idis.com. When you come over here, you have to click on free trial. Don't worry, it's not ask for your credit card, debit card, anything. This is a free. So as you can see, it show me my dashboard of d-id. So first of all, you have to click over here and click on uh, login and sign up. When you click on login and sign up, if you have an account, then you can log in your account. Otherwise, now I don't have an account, so I click on sign up button. When I click on sign up button, they will give me an option to create an account with LinkedIn account, Google account, and also with a Gmail account. You can choose Google account because this time I have a Google account, so that's why I click on Google account and click over here, and my account will be ready in just a minute. As you can see, my account is created and I get a free credit of 20. So now I create the video. Now how you can create, just come over here and click on create video, and also you can click in the above in the section. So you can choose a character from them, but you can also add your character here. Just many character you can choose from them, and if you want to generate, you can also generate from here, and also you can upload your character. I already create a character on Lexico website, so that's why I put my own character or here. Click an add button, and then I choose a picture that I already make on Lexica. So it's just take some seconds, and our picture will be uploaded on this website. As you can see, our picture has been uploaded. Now you can click over here, and if you have a script, then you can write a complete script. Otherwise, you can upload your own voice, and also you can record your own voice as you want. So I don't have an advice, so that's why I just put over here some script. Just give me a minute. So I just add in 3 lines. So if you want to start a YouTube channel of this, and you can also upload your voiceover, and you can also take a preview of your 21st world. From here you can choose a language as you want. Here is many language available. So you can choose your language, and I choose one language. It's called English Canadian, and also here is an actor. You can choose from females and males as you want. So I choose a LM, and then you can create your video by clicking on generate video. It will take just a moment, like it's will consume your 1 credit. You will click over here on the generate button. Your video will be ready in just a minute, because our video is too uh, less, so that's why it will generate soon. So as you can see, our video is now generated, and now I play the video, and we will take a preview how our video is generated.
So if you want to start a YouTube channel and don't know how to create video and how to edit the video, then you at right place. So if you want to start a YouTube,
As you can see, her as a perfect video for our YouTube channel. So in the next video, I will tell you how you can add to this video for your YouTube channel. So see you in next video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and like my video